Hi everyone! So you would have seen on Pottery Barn some of the most gorgeous Harry Potter home decor collection. Now they have everything from lights to bedding to little just small accessories that just makes you want to buy everything. Unfortunately, I'm here in Australia and our Pottery Barn doesn't have that collection. So I needed to kind of think up an idea of how I could make it for myself. So today we're going to quickly do a little bit of a copycat Pottery Barn tutorial for the spells bedding. As you can see with the Pottery Barn, it's got a really loose sort of script style, so it doesn't actually look perfect to begin with, which makes it great for us who are wanting to replicate it. We are just going to use some Ikea bed sheets, so you can go the whole kit and caboodle and grab full bed sheets and do them. Today we're just going to do pillows. We are also going to grab fabric markers. So there are a few different ones. There is Stained by Sharpie, and I'm also going to try just their permanent marker, which is a gold metallic. So you can choose which one you want, whether you want a Ravenclaw color or whether you want gold like the spells bedding that they have at Pottery Barn. Whenever you're doing a project, you're going to want to grab a scrap of fabric that you aren't using, just to test out the fabric and the pens, just to see how it goes. Now you guys are going to notice that this video looks maybe a little bit different. I'm currently doing a little bit of a challenge that I'm filming as another video right now. I just really wanted to show you guys that you can film YouTube videos with just your mobile, no extra equipment, like no extra audio, using natural lighting, and then I'm also going to edit this using free software, just to show that when it comes to getting onto YouTube, you have all you need right here. You just need to go and just start. So to make this, you're going to grab your Ikea pillowcases. It doesn't need to be Ikea. You can grab any that you have at home that just need a little bit of sprucing up. I just want to make sure that they are 100% cotton, just so we're using all the same thing. Finally, you are going to need some masking tape and also either a window or a glass frame. So this is so we can pop our spells template, which you will find on the blog, and use the masking tape to tape that up. And then you're going to tape your pillowcase on top of that so you can see through. Or if you want something a little bit easier, I actually just grabbed a photo frame. As you can see, I actually tore some of the spells and relayed them on how I wanted them to show up. And then I was able to slip that into the pillowcase, and then you just trace that. To finish this one off, you're just going to want to grab your little pen and add some stars and lightning bolts, just like they have on their own bedsheet series. And then you're just going to iron that just to set the fabric marker into the pillowcase. That way it doesn't wash off or run when you do wash it next. So there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is one of the gold spells that I've done up. I might add just a little bit extra there and a little bit extra there just to fill it out. But it has done really quite nicely in comparison to the Pottery Barn one. And you know, if you want a Ravenclaw one, you'd also do that in the blue. So all we need to do is make up our beds with our new bed sheets, and it's going to seem like we have a little bit of Harry Potter magic going on in our house. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in the next video.